Life is full of beautiful moments, but it's also unpredictable. Sometimes we face things we're not prepared for. When we lose a loved one, the loss can be overwhelming. And in those times, one thought often crosses our minds. Are we prepared? Thinking about the future means considering our loved ones. But how do we make sure they're protected? The options can feel overwhelming, and the costs add up quickly. That's when planning ahead makes a difference. A life or memorial plan isn't just about money, it's about providing peace of mind and a sense of security for those we love. By securing a plan, we're giving our family something priceless. A future where they can focus on the moments that matter, not the what-ifs. Give your family peace of mind today. Start your plan now and create a secure future for those you love. In 1970, a young family faced a difficult reality. The father, a hard-working man, wanted to secure his family's future, but uncertainty loomed. He needed a way to protect them if anything unexpected happened. It was then that they discovered St. Peter, a company founded on a simple principle: to provide peace of mind and security to Filipino families. They offered a plan that promised financial support in times of need, a promise that brought hope and comfort to the worried family. Through the years, St. Peter grew alongside Filipino families, adapting and evolving to meet their changing needs. They remained steadfast in their commitment to providing affordable and accessible life insurance, ensuring that every family has the opportunity to secure their future. Today, as St. Peter celebrates its 54th anniversary, they look back with pride on a journey defined by trust, dedication, and unwavering commitment to serving Filipino families. They are grateful for the trust that generations of Filipinos have placed in them, allowing them to be part of their stories, their milestones, and their dreams. St. Peter continues to stand strong, ready to face the future with the same unwavering commitment to its mission. They know that their journey is far from over, but with the trust of Filipino families by their side, they are confident that they will continue to make a difference in the lives of those who need it most. From the bottom of their hearts, St. Peter thanks every Filipino family who has trusted them over the years. It is a privilege to be part of your journey. St. Peter, 54 years of trust, securing Filipino families.
Bakit nga ba kailangan kumuhang St. Peter Plan? Iyan ang tanong ng karamihan sa atin. Hindi ka kumukuha ng St. Peter kasi hindi ka pa naman mamamatay. Pwede mo namang gamitin ang plan kahit gaano katagal pa ang panahon. And the best part, pwede mong maipagamit sa loved ones mo. If ever meron biglang mangailangan sa inyo, St. Peter Life Plan is a full memorial service package and has the best features and benefits as follows. Anti-inflationary, meaning hindi naapektuhan ng pagtaas ng mga bilihin kahit gaano katagal mo paggamitin. Pwede mo itong mairegalo, maibigay or maibenta dahil ito ay transferable. Asignable din ito at pwede maipagamit sa iyong namatay na kaanak. Meron itong feature na unrendered service, meaning kahit hindi mo magamit, ay pwede itong ipasa sa iyong declared beneficiary. Meron itong added benefits at covered ka ng term life insurance habang nababayad ka. Ito lang ang memorial service package na nagbibigay ng cash assistance sa iyong loved ones if ever nawala ka. Hindi po ibig sabihin na pag kumuha tayong memorial plan ay mawawala na tayo. We're just preparing for the inevitable. Preparation is a must. Kaya kuha ka na ng plan mo today. Assist kita kahit kailan, kahit saan. St. Peter maasahan.
Bakit nga ba kailangan mo magkaroon ng St. Peter Life Plan may kaya ka man sa buhay or tight ang iyong budget. Panoorin po ninyo ito. Kung ikaw ay may kaya sa buhay, then definitely you know how money works. At pagdating sa mga at-need memorial services, definitely napakalaki ng inyong ilalabas kung mawalan tayo ng loved one. Yung ilalabas natin na 50, 60, 70, 80,000, 90 or 100,000 pesos pataas sa mga at-need memorial services, pwede na nating i-business yan. Kapital na yan ng isang negosyo, di ba? Pwede mo nang pagkakitaan yan. Pero syempre, dahil nga may kaya ka sa buhay, ibig sabihin, you have the knowledge kung paano magpaikot ng pera, then definitely, dapat mag-avail ka ng pre-need dahil insured ka ng 10 years and of course, staggered on payment. Installment, hindi yan one time. Just in case, kung ang plan holder ay nawala nang hindi pa niya tapos bayaran o hindi pa niya na-fully paid ang kanyang St. Peter Life Plan at siya ay nasa insurable age, waive na ang kanyang remaining balance. O diba, ang saya, isang napakagandang investment ang pagkakaroon ng pre-need St. Peter Life Plan. Eto pa, kung ikaw naman ay medyo tight ang budget, breadwinner, ang daming pinagkakagastusan, ang daming utang, the more na dapat ikaw ay mag-avail ng St. Peter Life Plan. Eh bakit kamo? Kasi kung ngayon pa lang hirap ka na sa mga expenses ng iyong pamilya, sa dami ng gastusin, the more na dapat mag-sign up ka ng St. Peter Life Plan dahil hindi natin alam kung kailan may mawawala sa pamilya, hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo gagastos ng malaki. Kung ikaw ang breadwinner, ikaw ang gumagastos sa pamilya, nararapat lamang na ikaw mismo ay insured. Hindi natin masabi dahil kung ikaw ang mawala, at least merong tatanggapin ang iyong pamilya. Sila ang iyong beneficiary. Naiintindihan niyo ba yung nais kong sabihin? Kung tayo ang breadwinner at short tayo sa budget, the more na dapat mag-sign up tayo dahil kung tayo ang hindi inaasahang mawala, papaano na lang ang mga maiiwan natin? Papaano na lang nila bibitbitin o papasanin yung burden na mawala tayo? At least with St. Peter Life Plan, wala na silang iisipin pa na kung anumang expenses. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung hindi pa po kayo plan holder, i-message nyo na po ako to sign up for a St. Peter Life Plan. Alright, eto na naman po tayo. It seems like hindi gaanong naiintindihan ng karamihan kung paano nag-work ang benefits ng St. Peter Life Plan, particularly etong sa insurance part. Ganito po yan kasimple. 5 years to pay ang St. Peter Life Plan at sa loob ng 5 taon na kayo po ay nagbabayad, covered ang plan holder ng accidental death benefit. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-aksidente ang plan holder sa loob ng 5 taon na siya ay nagbabayad, kailanman doon, mawi-waive ang kanyang balanse at makakakuha siya ng ×2 ng cash assistance kung anumang plan ang kanyang kinuha. Halimbawa, nag-St. Clair siya na 80,000 ang worth, magkakaroon ng beneficiary niya ng 160,000. Ngayon naman, kapag tapos nyo ng bayaran yung inyong life plan, nasa 5th year na kayo, mawawalan na kayo ng coverage ng accidental death kasi sa paying period lang yon. However, covered pa rin kayo ng life insurance magmula sa ika-6 na taon hanggang sa ika-10 taon. Yan yung tinatawag na extended cash assistance benefit. Lahat ng yan ay applicable doon sa plan holder. Maliban dyan, meron din tayong tinatawag na accidental death and dismemberment. Yung dismemberment, kasama yan sa terms and condition. Credit life coverage at waiver of installment. So guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakakuha na inyong St. Peter Life Plan, kumuha na po kayo dahil napaka-importante ang first day ng inyong life plan dahil hindi mo nga alam kung ano ang mangyayari sa buhay. Kung papaano kumuha, mag-PM lang po kayo sa akin. Nationwide po ang application natin at lahat ng Pilipino ay maaari ko pong i-cater. PM na po at i-add nyo ko